Culture is who we are, our spirit, our story, our strength, and it's time we treat it that way. The PNP introduces Project G, a 5G cultural economy strategy. It's the beating heart of the PNP's 4E Sustainable Growth Plan, an emerging industry. We begin by nurturing greatness, building cultural confidence, protecting heritage, nurturing talent at every level. Grounding, reviving the cultural soul and economy of communities and towns island-wide. Growth, structuring the cultural economy to unlock wealth through creative enterprises backed by a preliminary $1 billion development fund. Good governance, bringing structure, fairness, participation, coordination, clarity, inclusion, and in particular transparency to cultural leadership. Global reach, expanding our influence through strategy, investment, infrastructure, technology, and trade. This is Jamaica's time. This is Jamaica's plan. This is Project G.